Hi, I'm Dr. Kate Farquharson. I'm the manager of the Wild Koala Breeding Program.
My name is Astrid Van Agelen and I am the wildlife veterinarian at KCA and also the manager of koala care operations in exhibit and rehabilitation.
Hi, I'm Claire and I'm the koala keeper for the Wild Koala Breeding Program.
G'day, I'm the Wi-Fi hunter, and today I'm at Koala Conservation Australia checking out how their outdoor Wi-Fi network powered by Instant On is helping these legends rescue, monitor, breed and release wild koalas.
Koalas are now endangered in New South Wales and are predicted to go extinct by 2050 without drastic intervention. So we take a multi-pronged approach to protecting koalas here. So we have our koala hospital, which has been operating for over 50 years. We also are involved in habitat restoration efforts, and we've taken on a new project to breed wild koalas and turn around and reverse the trend of decline that we're seeing in the wild.
This role entails that, of course, I look after the health of the koalas, both koalas that are in permanent care in exhibit and koalas that are rescued from the wild, but it also entails managing a team of 80 volunteers. So one of the challenges that we see is to have proper IT systems that can allow us to manage the number of volunteers that we have, the movement of things, koala records.
So my day-to-day here with the breeding program is all of the general husbandry for the koalas, so making sure that they're fed and their yards are cleaned and all of our observations are done. So we input all of the daily records that we take from our koalas into that system. It does also work on mobile phones, so occasionally if I'm out in the yards I will just punch in information straight into that database. We also do a lot of our observation through wildlife cameras, so they will connect to the Wi-Fi.
In breeding season, a lot of the behaviours happen overnight, and so it's important that we're capturing some of that information while we're not on site. The remoteness of our site being based in a state forest, it's not a conventional workplace, and we have no power external to the site, so we've had to look into technology that can run off solar or batteries, and obviously Wi-Fi as well. So that's definitely been a challenge for us, but it's part of having that natural setting for the koalas, so it's also a benefit.
Here at Koala Conservation Australia, the AP17s connect the multiple field cameras to the network, so volunteers can monitor the koalas day and night, while the AP22s power the office, hospital and retail store, giving employees, volunteers and visitors a quality network experience.
Yes, so there are some interesting methods starting to be used for koalas with AI. So one is using the camera footage to identify individual koalas when we have multiple koalas in a yard together, such as in breeding season. So our wild breeding program is a world first for koalas. Koalas are bred from wild koalas that have come in a natural forested settings, and it's a very hands-off approach, so minimal intervention, with the hope that then the joeys will retain the wild behaviours of the parents and succeed when released back to the wild.
So some fun facts about koalas is that they sleep for around 18 to 20, maybe even 22 hours a day. So they're a very sedentary animal. Majority of their time is spent snoozing, and that is because of their food. The eucalyptus leaves are very low in nutrition, so they don't get a lot of energy to exert. So they conserve their energy by sleeping majority of the time. Another fun fact about koalas is that when they're born, they are only the size of a jelly bean and they weigh only a couple of grams. So they're born at a neonatal stage, and then they will climb up into mum's pouch to attach to a teat and then develop the rest of their time in the pouch. Another not so fun fact about koalas, but they go through a process called pap feeding. So it's a very vital stage for our joeys. So pap is actually a form of poo that their mother produces, and it's vital for our joeys to consume that pap because it allows them to establish the gut bacteria and the microflora needed to digest the eucalyptus leaves later on in life. But yeah, we get very excited over pap in the yards. Anytime there's a female producing it and joey's eating, where they're taking pictures, filming, recording, because it's a really vital step for our joeys. So as gross as it is, it's really, really wonderful to see.